I've just taken delivery of this Mercedes G63 AMG. You can see it's sitting behind me. The car is filthy. It is in need of a very good clean and decontamination. It's in for a exterior color change wrap. It's going in satin charcoal, something or the other. So I'm just gonna get that done. The G-Wagon has been washed and it's now clean. I wrapped the roof, which was quite difficult to actually wrap because it's so large, but you can see it's actually come out pretty good. Now it's going to be time to just strip what needs to be stripped from this car.
Thousands of tears later.
So I think it's fair to say I've found out why everyone complains about this car. There are so many parts that need to be stripped off this car. I think this is it for now. So I've just stripped most of the front end. I'll get this all wrapped and built back together, and then I'm going to move on to the rest of the car. Okay, so the Mercedes G63 is sitting behind me and it's now complete and ready to collect. So first of all, I just want to show you how it looks. Just do a quick walk around of the car. I'll show you the roof. Okay, so if I'm going to talk to you about the car and what makes it so difficult, the first thing, the roof is wider than the width of the roll. The bonnet isn't really an issue. You have got these hinges that you need to work around. The windshield area, the wipers do need to really be removed in order to get it nicely around them. And then on the whole car, you've got this molding that runs across the whole car, every single panel except for the back door. The quarter panel over here is all one piece, because that's how it is from factory. You've got tons of obstacles. For instance, you've got this ridge over here on the quarter panel, and then as you're working around the quarter panel, you've got the hinges which you have to be worked around. And then it's the same thing on the doors. You've got the molding, you've got ridges. Another reason why the G-Class is very, very difficult is just the amount of panels that are on there. Like every arch needs to be separately wrapped. And then on the front end, the surrounds on the headlights, the bumper's pretty much done in two pieces. So you've got the inside piece which runs up until that body line there, and then the outside piece runs on top of that. But yeah, it's come out really, really nice. But yeah, if you like what I've done, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff. Anyway, see you on the next one.